5 reasons why traveling is important. While social media gives you virtual access to the world, you also become increasingly comfortable with your surroundings and miss out on forming connections in the real world. Traveling to new places allows you to break out of your comfort zone and take on new experiences and challenges as you learn more about the world around you. One of the most important reasons why traveling is important is getting to immerse yourself in the local culture. Our world is vast and diverse, and we are just a small part of it. Each place has its own unique culture, and getting to experience this helps us grow psychologically in a way that no classroom or book ever could. While having a successful career is important, you also need to take a break from the grind to relax and rejuvenate. As they say, 1 step back, 2 steps forward. This is an important reason why traveling is important. Whether it's lying on the beach in the Philippines or going on an adventure hike, a break from can do wonders for your mental and physical health. Visiting the sights is great, but as they say, it's about the journey and not the destination. The people you meet along the way and the experiences you have with your friends are what sticks with you long after your travels. When visiting a new place, stay curious. With overpacked schedules, we become so addicted to what's next that we forget to live in the present. Traveling is a break away from this roller coaster of life and to embrace the beauty of the world. As they say, there's no time like the present.